Finally, everybody's here. Everybody's here. Everybody's.
Hello guys, welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing her Takealot orders.
Yeah. Alright.
No, I need the knife.
Okay, wait. Where's the knife?
Or even a scissor. Your new fancy scissor. No, I can't believe you just decorated it. Like, did you, Auntie Christina, help you out?
Okay guys, so today I'm gonna unbox some vitamins and minerals and things that I bought from Takealot. I've been struggling a lot with my health in terms of my skin. I have this condition called lichen planus, and I've suffered from skin conditions before. I had eczema as a child, and I just really always struggled with skin conditions and like breakouts happening all over my skin. So I got diagnosed with this lichen planus when I was like in my early 20s. I think after I had my daughter, that's when I started experiencing all of these things. So the dermatologist basically said that it's just a condition that happens. They don't know why it happens. And the only treatment for it was cortisone and steroid creams. So it comes back every now and then, like every few years, it comes back. And now when it came back, like it came back very, very badly, I can say. It's the first time that it's like not manageable or controllable in my eyes. And I went to the dermatologist like 2 or 3 times. And obviously, you know, cortisone is not good for your body. Like your liver finds it very hard to break down the cortisone. You can have liver failure if you take too much cortisone. And with steroids, you can actually have a withdrawal from steroids, and it can like affect your skin really, really badly. So this is why I've decided to go the holistic approach and take, you know, something that will hopefully relieve my condition, but it'll also be very good for my body in terms of taking all these vitamins. So let's see what this one is. You want to cut? Okay, you open this one.
I'm gonna open it now.
Okay. So what is that one?
It's a
liquid chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll, yeah.
So this is liquid chlorophyll, and it's drops that you put in water. So it's supposed to help with detoxing, and it also helps with the gut health. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on a lot with all of these supplements, is to restore my gut health, because that's where normally skin conditions come from. It's from your gut not having the necessary nutrition, or it's imbalanced. That's why it's also important to take things like probiotics, eat lots of healthy vegetables and things like, which I do. But yeah, need some extra help with extra vitamins. Baby, be careful. Okay. I should have done this from the beginning. Careful, please. Okay. So this one I'm very excited about. So this is sea moss.
The viral TikTok trend.
Is it viral?
Yes.
Black seed oil, ashwagandha, and burdock root. So sea moss is very, very good. I've seen a lot of people eating sea moss, like the gel, And sea moss has a lot of vitamins. It's like a super multivitamin in nature that really helps with different ailments. Like people highly recommend sea moss. I got this one because it had other things that I really wanted. And the thing is, it also comes in a capsule form. I didn't want the gels, or yeah, I just didn't want the taste of sea moss. So this is why I got the capsules. And I also like that this is a multi-varied supplement. So there's different supplements. The black seed oil also helps with skin conditions. And ashwagandha helps with like anxiety, depression. It helps with sleep as well. So, and I had ashwagandha separately in other tablets. So I thought, okay, this is good because it comes in all these different variations, and the quantity of it is quite strong. So I'm hoping that the multi mineral blend will help. With the regimens that I need to take. Okay, turn it around.
How do you pronounce this?
Moringa.
Oh, moringa.
Yeah, so moringa is also a natural multivitamin again as well. Moringa, there's a powder for moringa, but I've read from different reviews and things that people don't like the taste of moringa. You can put it in like yogurt and things to help. So that's why I got it in a capsule format. And I got this one that says maximum strength. I really wanted one that was really powerful. Unfortunately, with moringa, you need to take like 3 capsules a day to get the very strong high efficiency to get it to really work. But yeah, it's very good for anti-inflammation and just generally overall like helps assisting with the body's like nutrients, supplements, all of that. So moringa is a super multivitamin. So that's why I'm taking this one as well. Okay, baby, be careful.
Why?
Because you're not opening it nicely.
Oh.
Okay. Is it open? Okay, and then what is this one? Then the last thing that I got to assist with all of this is this one. Turn it around. Which is a multi bone broth. I've heard really great things about bone broth. You know how people make their own bone broth at home, like boiling bones, chicken bones, beef bones. It's very good and high in collagen. Obviously, collagen is really great for skin and skin repair. And it also has lots of protein and vitamins as well. So it says it's a combination of beef and chicken bone broth, which is good because it also has a mushroom blend and it has essential amino acids, which are key for collagen production. So, yeah, this is all the different things that I will be taking as my multi supplements to assist with my skin condition. So I'm hoping that it works. I have about 2 months supply for all of these supplements, and hopefully in 2 months I see some results. And what else I still get you? Okay, this is my first get ready with me. I am going for lunch with some of my besties, my best friends. So me and my friends have been friends for like over 16 years now. We've been friends since varsity. So we have this little tradition where we go out for each other's birthdays. So it's one of my friends' birthdays today. So yeah, we're gonna go for lunch at Aduna in Melrose Arch. So my friend is picking me up because the one friend is picking me up because we stay really close to each other. We're in Pretoria and we're driving all the way to Joburg. So we normally give each other a lift. I have about 15 minutes to get ready. I still need to do my makeup. I prepped my face, moisturized it, put sunscreen, everything. I just need to do a little bit of makeup. I'm not a big makeup person, so I don't put a lot, just foundation, a little bit of concealer, a little blush, hoping I don't have too much blush blindness. But yeah, let's just get ready. This is the outfit for today. I'm not sure. I love this cute little, what is it called again? It'll come to my waistcoat. I love this cute little waistcoat. It's like olive greenish mustardy color, and I have these pants. Oh, sorry, this is from Foschini. I got this from Bash online on Foschini. It does have a matching pants, but I couldn't get my size, so I only just bought the waistcoat. And then these pants, it's the tailored shorts. So I really want I wanted some tailored shorts, but all the stores they had was so expensive. So I checked on Yellow Sub and I got these ones. They are really cute. The only problem is that they're a little bit too big for me, so I will have to clip them or something. And you know, Yellow Sub, they don't even do returns, so I couldn't return them to get a smaller size. But it's not too bad. I just wanted it a little bit more fitted around my waist, but it's not that big of a gap. It's a size 30, and already I'm like a size 32, 30, 32. And they don't fit me the way I want them to fit. So yeah, let's just get ready. Okay, so I really like it. I think it's cute. I'm gonna go with the brown pants. I feel like the white pants, yeah, no, it's not gonna work with the white pants. I don't know if this is a nice fit like this. I feel like it's a bit, I don't know. I feel like it's not that cute with the shorts. I don't know, maybe I should wear a skirt rather than the pants.
But everyone's not gonna hear us.
It's on the video. Okay, this is my little makeup bag that I have. I'm just gonna put it here. Like I said, I don't have a lot of products. Love this, especially for my oily skin. Okay, so I'm gonna do my makeup now. This is my little makeup bag with all my products. It's not a lot of products. Old eyelashes. It's not a lot of products. It's just some mattifying fixer spray, some translucent powder. I love this blush. It's an orangey blush. I love the tone on my skin. My foundation that's been here forever. I use the bronze Revlon foundation, Color Stay. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, this Pro Girl Lash Concealer. It's almost finished, so I definitely need to restock on this. And yeah, let me just do my makeup quickly before my friend gets here. Let me get a chair. Okay, this is better. Not really one for too much foundation. I don't like a lot of coverage while this is drying. I did my nails yesterday with my press-on nails, and I really like the color. It's not white, but it's like a peachy pink color. I really love them. I usually buy one pack per set, but I feel like once you get your size, like you can't really use them again. And they say it's like 30 nails, but honestly, there's basically one size for almost everyone. So like maybe if they have different numbers, like a 1 or a 0, you only have one set of that. So then you end up only really having one size, which is the only thing that I don't like about it. But I don't know, I still keep them in the hope that I can reuse them again, but doesn't really work. This is my little nail kit that I use with all my things. Ooh. Let me do my nail oil for today because my cuticles are crusty. Just rub it. Rub, rub, rub. I need to hurry up. My friend is going to be here any minute. I hope she's late because generally she's a person that does keep with time. And I'm someone that's very pedantic about being on time. I don't like wasting people's time. And I don't like being late. So yeah, let me put concealer on so long because that also needs time to dry. And I'm someone that recently started to really like makeup. I wasn't always a makeup girly, and you'll see like I really put on like very little. Foundation, I normally put around my lip area because I have a bit of discoloration on the top of my lip. So that's generally the only coverage that I like to have because but other than that, I don't use too much foundation. I also don't use it on the top of my head because I just basically make up at the bottom, and it gives it just a more natural look. What did they say? You're supposed to use your brush first before, but I'm just going to use my fingers, especially because it's just more for coverage, like around my lip area. It's not really to be super covered or like have this big coverage. I like to be very natural. I like my makeup to be natural, so that's why you won't see me trying to put on a lot of makeup. Oh, it's on my hair. Yeah. So yeah, it's a bit better with the coverage on my lip, my upper lip. I used to have eczema as a child. So for some reason, my eczema was always sitting like right on top of my lip. And then obviously it left a scar. What else do I need? I'm just gonna use my blender now. My makeup. Just do a little setting spray on the thing. I wanted to do my blush first. I forget. I wanted to do the blush first. And I'm gonna use a small little brush. This one. Don't use a lot. Literally just, it's very pigmented, which I like. And I'm not gonna mix. I normally have a pink blush set thing, but I'm not gonna use it today because I don't feel the need to put on too much blush. But I just put on a little here on my cheeks, on my nose. Just a very light blush. Like it all the way down to my cheek, all the way up as well. And about again, all the way up to your temple, basically. I love this blush so much. I got it go Clicks or something. Okay, now I can blend my under eye concealer. Okay. Just dab, dab, dab. It's gonna take a while. Oh, look how nicely it's blending now. I love it. I take it all the way up to the corner of my eye. Give me a chiseled look. Blend it into my blush also so that it blends seamlessly. I hope it blends seamlessly. But let's say the makeup, it's blending, can't it? It's not blending. It all the way up. The other side. Yeah, generally I also use this little brush, especially for the concealer, and then I do the beauty blender afterwards. But I'm just in such a rush. I don't have time to use different brushes and yeah. Maybe I put just a little bit more. No, but I think it's fine. I don't want to do too much. Just blend. Blend, 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 blend. And that's basically it. Then I just do a little powder. I'm looking for my tiny little brush. I find it now. Oh, my kids probably took it. Oh, here we go. My little cute little powder puff thing that I have. So just to tap it. And then just to go in lightly. Oh, I did too much this side. Lightly all the way. In my nose. I like to do around my forehead also, just to not have too much shininess on my forehead. And around my lips. to set in the foundation. Oof, okay, they're gonna call me at the gate just now to open for my friend, so what I have to do. I normally don't put like eye makeup. I just do my brows. My brows are naturally like this. I don't even like put a liner or anything on them. I like them to look natural, honestly. I did microblading, so that's why you'll see like my eyebrows are really filled in nicely. There's still patches here and there, but generally this is how my eyebrows look without any makeup or anything on them. Okay, so we're done with the translucent powder. Let's do some spray again. Should have added a little bit more blush, but I think it's fine. Don't want to add too much. There we go. That's my look. Really looks good. I don't know what I'm gonna put on my lips. I'll probably just put on some lip gloss or something. Because the only lip that I love is my Ruby Woo. That's the only one that I'd consider putting on. But I think today I'm just more of a classy look. So I'm just gonna put some, I'm just gonna put some lip gloss, which is in my handbag somewhere. I'm gonna also take a different bag, a small bag, cute little bag. And I found my cute little bag that's gonna match with my outfit. And yeah, I think we're ready.
Hey! Hello! I need to buy jeans. I need to change.
Oh, Baba.
Not scared. It's not short.
It's not short at all.
Hello. How are you?
Where's mommy? Mama, I need to be like you.
Where's mommy?
At least.
No, darling, no.
Yes.
Are we ready? How do I look? See, I'm using Vaseline. I don't even have lip gloss. How does my makeup look?
Oh, it's gone. Too short. Like I told Mama. This.
Yeah, they keep short.
How?
I'm here on the camera with the dukes. With the duke, girl. With the duke. I could be on the driver. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. We welcome you guys here. Let's go for our girls' lunch. Copyright, ma'am. Copyright this song. Hey, my tata.
kidding, are you scared? My daughter. Your skirt is too short.
Your skirt is too short.
I left my mic.
Oh, and it makes such a difference that my.
Hi.
There's this one over Sabula. Then Adula is there.
Oh, Sabula is this one. Oh, they are neighbors.
Yeah.
They're probably even owned by the same person. Really scared, Mama. The kids are not happy with you today. Oh, this is good lighting from now. So cute. You better edit this one because it's a mess.
It's so cute.
It's cute, huh?
Come back and take proper
Pictures. We'll take pictures there. Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. I say kana so that my drink Iranian.
No complain about him.
Why?
Can I get whiskey sour?
Cheers.
Whiskey. Cheers.
Perfect.
It's good. Vete yellow da lata.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Vete girl. You're living.
Yeah, so I see them. It's like a little toy. Yes. Yes, it moves as well. When are you on December. This is December. Ask him. I just know it's wrong. Yeah, mother, you also know this. And it's similar thing. I just printed it now and I want to record it. Because I couldn't go to my link. Okay, the camera won't see the slide. So it's fine. The camera can't hold it. So they won't see the slide. What's the camera? So I opted to cancel my dinner. I'm like, oh, I'll be so bad. But when I got there, they were so busy with the person. I'm like, oh,
Everything for her. So I know. But once you reach your target, be like, oh, it's really, let me see. They comment.
and I love it when it's strangers. I saw a friend like comment your name where she was like, oh, I love your house, I'm staying here, something like that. She said something like that. And when I
looked at her profile, I'm like, I don't know this one. It's probably
Bethlehem.
is young lighting.
It's up. It's nice. Look at that cocktail. What was it? Cosmopolitan?
No, Turkish delight.
Ooh, Turkish delights. Late comer, can I go, man? What time is it? What time is it? 2. Finally, everybody's here. Everybody's here. Everybody's here. Late comer. What would that like?
We couldn't even order starter because every time you're not already half.
Why are you late? First of all, get 10 past 2. Really, go on.
like it's really 1 o'clock was not conducive.
Work.
We deal with a lot.
Mara wa tshwana. No. Let her go 2. Let her go 2. She's gonna come here at 3. Yes. Let her go 3. That is like a 4. Yes.
So we keep it at 1.
Yes. Exactly.
Plug me. In the morning, lady calls and say, hey, I'm so tired and exhausted. You better get installation and go and do it somewhere else. The crazy inconvenience
When I blended.
Look at me, relaxed.
I don't feel bad. I don't too much. I'm not sure to know or drag someone. Strawberry and what is the mountain?
You can see what's before I choose another.
Margarita, please. Another margarita. Shaken.
Chicken margarita and the whiskey sour without the egg white. And
Yes.
for you, ma'am? Still
I
okay?
need the menu.
Okay.
Because this is too sweet.
Okay.
Yeah, Danya.
It was done sweet. Take it.
It's too much.
Oh, they were just
It's their special Sunday.
The cocktail.
Ice blocks. Please don't put a lot. It's not too sweet.
Please, pineapple.
You want me to take you while you're
Okay, that's fine. Is it? Let me see which is a
I don't know which one I want first.
Taste test.
Yes. They look all so good. I don't know which one I want first. Let me take the biggest one.
I've put hot chili in that one, by the way.
Put chili in this one.
Yeah,
Already?
Tabasco. Yeah.
Did you?
I didn't scoop it. It's probably. Ooh. Battery 15%. Which one did you take? The paprika one. My friend, are you gonna have an oyster? Auch Raf, when I can see.
Is it good?
It's nice.
I might need to put pepper and salt
Tabasco?
to kill the seed monsters.
It's sweet,
Now because
Sparkling water, nyan.
Yeah, it actually does need it. But why is it so... Come on. I don't want the water. Okay.
Yes, Miguel.
peer pressure is a ring.
Just the design, but the sushi will be fine.
I appetizing, chef. Is it nice?
The cucumber is overpowering. I'll take out the cucumber. And then na cucumber yang rotisha by the way. Redeem yourself. Redeem yourself. I don't even know how you hold the chopstick.
But stop.
Already, Adra had a spinning kick by itself.
But stop recording.
How do
you hold the.
Okay, take the fork, my friend.
Oh, stand up, Sam.
I do eat whiskey, but in sushi, but I never use chopsticks.
What do you use? A
Now
fork?
you're gonna be forced to chow the whole thing.
I couldn't chichini cucumber. Oh, sharp.
Yeah, maybe without cucumbers is better. No?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's normal.
No, malaka okare, I don't know. It's upsetting my stomach. He made it.
And I think whoever say we are healthy.
Yeah, rice.
Like a little bit of cheese on it.
Rice, chips, and veggies.
Monday to Friday.
It is nice content.
We must just know when we go to these. I don't know.
There's different scouts. So
The word scout, friend. There's model scouts. There's no, I'm not talking about that one. The camp stuff. No.
Yes, yes. Amen. You must make sure you can sustain the child yourself. Yes. Exactly. 100%, my darling. 100%. Very well. When you have that child, you must be able to maintain that child. Only one man. Yes. Hey, Marakinyaka second born.
Yes. But I knew very well.
Exactly. Yes, exactly. So, umudirela wena fela. Yeah, better girl.
I'm not gonna post this because when you were little decent,